Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial component for anyone serious about their audio setups, especially those who love to tinker and build: the 10 PCS DIY 4-pin mini XLR adapters. These aren't just any connectors. They are specifically designed as 4-pin mini XLR male socket connectors and 4-pin panel mount jacks, making them incredibly versatile for a range of microphone and sound applications. One of the first things that strikes you about these adapters is their incredibly compact size. Measuring a mere 0.39 x 0.39 x 0.39 inches, they truly live up to the mini in their name. This tiny footprint is a massive advantage for custom builds, tight enclosures, or when you simply want to keep your setup as streamlined as possible. Imagine integrating these into a custom microphone, a compact audio interface, or even a specialized intercom system where space is at an absolute premium. Their small stature doesn't compromise their functionality. Instead, it opens up a world of possibilities for creative DIY projects. The fact that these come as a pack of 10 is fantastic value for any audio enthusiast or professional. Whether you're working on multiple projects, need spares for future repairs, or simply want to stock up your workbench, having a generous supply of these high-quality connectors is incredibly convenient. The DIY aspect is central here. These aren't plug-and-play finished cables, they are the building blocks. This means you have the freedom to choose your own cable lengths, types, and configurations, tailoring each connection precisely to your needs. For those who enjoy the process of soldering and assembling their own audio gear, these adapters provide a solid foundation for robust and reliable connections. The 4-pin configuration is particularly useful for specific types of microphones, often seen in lavalier mics, headset mics, or certain professional audio equipment that requires not just audio signal, but perhaps phantom power or control signals through the same connector. The combination of male socket connectors and panel mount jacks further enhances their utility. The male sockets are perfect for terminating cables, allowing you to create custom microphone cables or extension leads. Meanwhile, the panel mount jacks are ideal for integrating into chassis, enclosures, or custom audio boxes, providing a secure and professional-looking input or output point. When it comes to sound, the quality of your connectors is paramount. While these are DIY components, the expectation is that they provide a clean, secure connection, minimizing signal loss and interference. A well-made mini XLR adapter ensures that the audio signal from your microphone reaches its destination with integrity. Their default color, typically a standard metallic finish, blends seamlessly into most professional audio equipment aesthetics. For anyone looking to build, repair, or customize their audio setup with precision and reliability, these 4-pin mini XLR adapters are an excellent choice. They offer the flexibility, compact design, and quantity needed to tackle a wide array of audio challenges, ensuring your sound connections are always top-notch.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.